Hi there, David here and welcome to Wild Goose Adventures. Having left the sunny coast, dropped in to see my son Cooper, touch up with a haircut, I made my way across the border into New South Wales. Crossing the border, I made my way to Port Macquarie to see Rog and sit out the approaching cold front. Taking advantage of the calm before the storm, I rigged up for my first foil drive attempt. Just cruising mode. Let's see what happens when we power up. Here we go. Here we go, yeehaw! Gliding back to the base, I was pretty satisfied with my results. It sure was fun heading south and I drove into the approaching cold front. And again, I was super thankful for the rooftop tent and all the luxuries it provided. The next day broke clear and I appreciated both the morning and the fortunes that lay ahead. So I'm here at Lake Macquarie. Beautiful, beautiful spot, and there's a bit of breeze today. So I bumped into a few foiling mothers who have given me the drum about where to go out today and how good it's going to be. So I'm going to go out, give it a go. So let's shoot on and head out there. Lake Macquarie is a magical spot to sail. The largest lake in the southern hemisphere, and the opportunities were endless. I had one more place to visit, and this was the southern apex for this journey. So here we are at Cirque, Cortico. What a fantastic show. Well, what a beautiful morning. Just at the base of Port Stephens. I'd love to stop here and camp. We had a wonderful time yesterday foiling at Lake Macquarie. Met a few cool people and had a really interesting time. I'm heading back to Port Macquarie to visit my brother and find a couple more spots. The weather has really turned it on and I think we're going to have some great bit of foiling. Let's shoot on. This was the Hastings River I remembered. Packing my gear, it was all smiles as I headed north. Woolgoolga, what a beautiful, beautiful place. It's probably better known for its Sikh community, and you'll see there are lots of temples, and that whole Sikh community is very prevalent here. It's also known for the solitary islands. Years ago we sailed past here and sailed through here, but there's a beautiful nor'easter cranking, so it's time to sheet on and get off to my next destination. Okay, here we are at Yamba, Whiting Beach, and it's looking fantastic. The best breeze I've had on this trip away. The sea breeze is starting to build and it's forecast to crank a little later on. Let's sheet on and get into it. And it was here that I encountered some camera failure. Still, between sets, I managed to grab the camera and take some shots. Well, what a cracking afternoon. It blew in, I've had a good 4 hours on the water and it was unreal. Time for me to sheet on and see what else I can find. Here I am back at Ballina. What a cracking day we had yesterday at Yamba. It looks like a perfect spot to go for a foil drive. Unfortunately, my foil drive has hit some roadblocks and so I've had to send it back. Never mind. I'm sure we'll get plenty more use for it in the future, and here looks like a beautiful spot to come and try it out. Well, I started off at Ballina this morning and I was ready to have a look at what was going on there, and the team riders for jet foil came and they gave me a go on their jet foil. They were experimenting and said, mate, you need to be at Byron Bay. So here I am, Byron behind us. So I've gone to the pass to have a look, and it's honking, so we might have to get out there and give it a go. Let's sheet on. Well, Byron Bay sure turned it on. It was classic conditions and a great time was had. It's been a wonderful few days. I've had a great time. Hope you've enjoyed the journey. If you have, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. It'd be totally awesome and I'd appreciate it if you did. Until next time, smooth sailing.